All right, so we have Manny from
Indiana.
Goshen, Indiana.
Yes, sir.
Came all the way in. He's been in here for the last 3 days for our Detail Czar certified licensee training. So did a bang up job. Manny's going to start his own detailing business when he gets back. What do you think of the business day on Friday? Think it helped you?
Friday, oh, definitely. There was a lot of stuff that maybe I thought I knew, I didn't know. Learned a lot. Definitely had to keep customers, had to make new customers.
So it's definitely well worth it, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yep.
What about Saturday's exterior training day where we taught you the contact wash, paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating? What'd you think of that?
There was a lot of learning. It's not just a car wash. You got to really get into it, really know what you're doing.
So it definitely helped increase your skill set,
Yes, skill set, time, everything.
get your times down, sure, without cutting corners.
Yes, sir.
So what about today? Today was the interior training.
Yeah, interior. I knew a little bit of stuff. I learned a lot of stuff. Yeah, there's.
So it was well worth it?
You think, yeah, you think you know, and you come in.
So I didn't know that much.
Professionals.
No, when you're leaving,
Yeah.
you learned a lot.
Yep. Yes,
You
sir.
got your certificate of completion. You're now Detail Czar certified to provide professional auto detailing and ceramic coating to your clients.
Yes, sir.
So you're a great student. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Greatly appreciate it.
Thank
Thank you.